Think YouTube growth is just luck and fancy equipment? Think again. Here's the truth. Growing on YouTube isn't about chasing trends or buying the latest camera. It starts with understanding your audience. Ask yourself, who are you talking to? What do they care about? Make content that genuinely solves their problems or entertains them. Next, consistency beats perfection. Pick a schedule you can stick to, whether that's once a week or once a month, and show up. Don't stress about making every video a masterpiece. You'll get better with every upload. Don't forget your titles and thumbnails. They're your first impression, so make them clear, catchy, and honest. No clickbait. Let viewers know exactly what they'll get. Now, engagement is gold. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage people to subscribe, but only if you're giving them value. Remember, YouTube loves watch time. Keep your intros short, get to the point, and keep viewers hooked right to the end. Finally, don't compare your journey to others. Growth can be slow at first, and that's normal. The key is to learn from your analytics and keep improving bit by bit. So focus on helping your audience, stay consistent, and never stop learning. That's how you grow on YouTube, one video at a time.